Can you just pass me the spanner?
Which spanner?
The one right in front of your nose.
In all honesty, Harry, is it really a good idea?
What do you mean?
Well, the last time you tried to unblock the sink, it didn't go very well, did it?
Oh, but that was ages ago. I've read the book since then.
Yes, and I've read Kevin Keegan's book, but that doesn't make me a footballer, does it?
Yeah, very funny. Don't you remember?
Remember what?
The book I read.
I remember all right. The Idiot's Guide to Plumbing. For beginners.
Yeah.
What are you actually doing under there?
Instead of asking questions, you could lend a hand.
With what?
Well, just get stuck in.
I would if you'd stop getting cross.
All right. Sorry.
Now then, what can I help with?
You can...
I wasn't asking you.
Who else is here?
I'll just go on with whatever nonsense it is you're doing under there.
What are you going to be doing?
If I had any sense, I'd be calling a plumber.
We don't need a plumber.
All right. You carry on. I'm sure your idiot's guide will see you right.
Thank you.
You have put the plug in, haven't you? Never mind, I'll check for myself.
Wait. Ow.
What have you done?
Oh, nothing.
Well, be more careful.
Yes.
You have, though, haven't you?
Have?
Put the plug in.
I can't remember.
Right, there. The plug's in.
What use is that, anyway?
If any water comes out of the tap while you're taking things apart down there, it won't pour all over you.
Oh, I see.
And you have turned the... No, you haven't.
Haven't what?
Turned the stopcock off.
Never mind that. Help me.
What on earth have you disconnected down there?
I don't know. There. That's got it.
Let's see.
What? See what? What are you doing with my mobile phone?
Just seeing if there's a completely clueless guide to plumbing.
You've been listening to The Hudsons with Jamie Dyer as Harry and Jane Grandle as Helen. Additional voices were provided by Pete Lutz. The music was by Kevin MacLeod. This was brought to you by J. Dyer Productions.